Sunny is right now thinking, you've walked me long enough out in the cold and rain outside, and I'm from now on just going to plop down here in this chair where you normally sit when you put your shoes on and off, as I see fit. From here on forward, this is mine, Sunny Boy Sunny. He hasn't got a last name yet. He's just Sunny or Sunny Boy or Soul. There he goes. Sunny Boy. I want my chair back. Don't get any ideas. Don't get any ideas. It is not your chair. That is my chair. Don't get any ideas. Okay? I'm sorry I took you out in the cold and rain. Builds character.